Welcome to Venu Maths Academy. In this video series, discuss about objective type questions in DCs and DRs. Level 3 type question. Question number 6. If the angle between line with DC is minus 2 by root 21 comma A by root 21 comma B by root 21 and other line with DC is 3 by root 54 comma 3 by root 54 comma minus 6 by root 54 is 90 degree, then a pair of possible values of A and B respectively are, these are the four options given in a problem to find A, B values. First line, DCs of line 1, DCs of line 1 minus 2 by root 21 comma A by root 21 comma B by root 21. Here this is L, M, N. If the lines are given lines are DCs, then the condition L square plus M square plus N square is equal to 1 minus 2 by root 21 whole square 4 by 21 plus A by root 21 whole square A square by 21 plus B by root 21 whole square B square by 21 is equal to 1. Here 21 is the LCM. 4 plus A square plus B square is equal to 21. A square plus B square is equal to 21 minus 4. This is A square plus B square equal to 21 minus 4 equal to 17. This is equation 1. DCs of line 2. DCs of line 2 equal to 3 by root 54, 3 by root 54 minus 6 by root 54. Here DCs of line 1 and line 2 is 90 degree. 1 and 2 are perpendicular. If L1, M1, N1 DCs of line 1, L2, M2, N2 DCs of line 2, then the condition L1, L2 plus M1, M2 plus N1, N2 is equal to 0. The lines are perpendicular. 1 and 2 perpendicular. 1 and 2 perpendicular. L1, L2 minus 2 into 3 minus 6 by root 21 into root 54. 3 into A, 3A. 3A by root 21 into root 54. B minus 6B. Minus 6B by root 21 into root 54 equal to 0. Here root 21, root 54 is the LCM. Cross multiply with 0, this value is 0. LCM is common. Minus 6 plus 3A minus 6B equal to 0. 3A minus 6B equal to 6. Enter the equation divided by 3. A minus 2B is equal to 2. A is equal to 2 plus 2B. 2 plus 2B in equation 1. In equation 1. This is the equation 1. A square plus B square equal to 17. A square plus B square equal to 17. In A, substitute 2 plus 2B. 2 plus 2B whole square plus B square equal to 17. A plus B whole square expansion. 2 square 4. 2B whole square 4B square. 2AB 2 to 4. 4 to 8. 8B plus B square is equal to 17. 4B square. 4B square. 4B square plus B square. 5B square plus 8B. 4 minus 17 minus 13. 5 into minus 13 minus 65. 13 minus 5 8. 5B square plus 13B minus 5B minus 13 equal to 0. Here b is the common, 5b plus 13 minus 1 is the common, 5b plus 13 equal to 0. Here 5b plus 13 common, 5b plus 13, 5b minus 1 equal to 0, 5b plus 13 equal to 0, b is equal to minus 13 by 5. In options there is no minus 13 by 5. 5b minus 1 equal to 0, 5b plus 13 factors b minus 1 equal to 0. This is the b minus 1 equal to 0. Here common 5b plus 13 is the common, b minus 1 equal to 0. b minus 1 equal to 0, b is equal to 1. If b is equal to 1, this is the third option is correct. If b is equal to 1, then a is equal to 2 plus 2b. If b is equal to 1, then a is equal to 2 plus 2b. Here b value 1, 2 plus 2, 4. A is equal to 4, b is equal to 1. 4 comma 1 is the correct. This is the third option is correct. Question number 7. If the DRs of a line are 1 plus lambda comma 1 minus lambda comma 2 and it makes an angle 60 degree with y-axis, then lambda equal to, here the 4 options are given. In this question, these are the DRs of line A comma B comma C. Here one concept, if the DRs of line A comma B comma C makes an angle alpha with x-axis, cos alpha equal to a by root of a square plus b square plus c square. The line makes an angle beta with y-axis, b by root of a square plus b square plus c square. The line makes an angle with gamma with z-axis, c by root of a square plus b square plus c square. Here the line makes an angle 60 degree with y-axis. Here beta equal to 60 degree. DRs of line is given. DRs of line 1 plus lambda comma 1 minus lambda comma 2. A, B, C. Here beta is given 60 degree. The line makes an angle with 60 degree with y-axis. Beta equal to 60 degree. Cos beta, cos 60 degree is equal to b by 1 minus lambda by root of a square 1 plus lambda whole square 1 minus plus 1 minus lambda whole square plus 2 square 4. Here cos 60 degree value is 1 by 2, 1 minus lambda root of a plus b whole square, a plus b whole square plus a minus b whole square equal to 2 into a square plus b square. Here a value 1, b value lambda, 2 into 1 plus lambda square. 1 plus lambda whole square plus 1 minus lambda whole square expansion is 2 into 1 plus lambda square plus 4. Here cross multiply root of 2 into 1 plus lambda square plus 4, 2 into 1, 2 minus 2 lambda, squaring on both sides, here root is cancelled, 2 into 1, 2 into lambda square, 2 lambda square plus 4. Here a minus b whole square expansion, 2 square 4 minus 2 lambda whole square, 2 square 4 plus b square 4 lambda square minus 2ab, 2 to 4, 4 to 8 lambda. 8 lambda. Here 4 get cancelled. 4 lambda square minus 2 lambda square. 2 lambda square minus 8 lambda. 4 lambda square minus 2 lambda square. 2 lambda square minus 8 lambda plus 2 is minus 2 equal to 0. Here enter the equation divided by 2. lambda square minus 4 lambda minus 1 equal to 0. Here apply to find the lambda value, the formula minus b plus or minus lambda equal to minus b plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. In this equation, a equal to 1, b equal to minus 4, c equal to minus 1. Apply the values. B equal to minus 4, minus minus plus 4, plus or minus minus 4 whole square 16, minus 4 ac, 4 into a, 4 into a, 4 into 1, 1, 4 into minus 1, minus 4, here minus plus 4, by 2a, 2 into 1, 2, 4 plus or minus root 20 by 2. 20 is equal to 4 into 5. 20 is equal to 4 into 5. Square root of 4 into 5, 2 root 5. 4 plus or minus 2 root 5 by 2. Here 2 is common. 2 plus or minus root 5 by 2. 2 get cancelled. 2 plus or minus root 5. Lambda value is equal to 2 plus or minus root 5. Here to take the fourth option is correct. 2 plus or minus root 5. Question number 8. If the length of the sides of a rectangular parallelepiped are 3, 2, 1, then the angle between two diagonals out of 4 diagonals is, here the 4 options are given. In this question, it is a parallelepiped, rectangular parallelepiped. The length of the sides, these are the DRs of sides is given 3, 2, 1, 3, 2, 1. Here to find the angle between two diagonals out of 4 diagonals, this is the direct formula. Angle between two diagonals out of 4 diagonals in a rectangular parallelepiped, total 4 diagonals. Angle between two diagonals, cos theta equal to a square plus b square minus c square by a square plus b square plus c square. This is the formula. This is a, b, c. 3 square 9, 2 square 4, 1 square 1 by 3 square 9, 2 square 4, 1 square 1. 9 plus 4 13, 13 minus 1 12, 9 plus 1 10, 10 plus 4 17, 10 plus 4 14, sorry. 9 plus 1 10, 10 plus 4 14, 2 6, 2 7s, 6 by 7. Theta equal to cos inverse 6 by 7. This is the first one is the correct. Question number 9. P equal to 1, 2, minus 2. Q equal to 8, 10, 11. R equal to 1, 2, 3. S equal to 3, 5, 7. If lambda denotes the length of projection of PQ on RS, then 29 lambda square plus 29 equal to 4 options are given. Here the given points P is equal to 1, 2, minus 2. Q equal to 8, 10, 11. R equal to 1, 2, 3. S equal to 3, 5, 7. Here to find lambda equal to length of projection PQ on RS. This is the line RS. Here this is the line segment PQ. The length of projection of PQ on RS. This length is called lambda. To find this value, here DRs of PQ 8 minus 1 7, 10 minus 2 8, 11 minus of minus 2 plus 2, 11 plus 2 13. A, B, C, these are DRs of RS or S. 3 minus 1, 2, 5 minus 2, 3, 7 minus 3, 4. Here to find the DCs of RS, A, B, C, 2 square 4, 3 square 9, 4 square 16, 16 plus 4 20 plus 9 29, root 29. To find DCs of RS, 2 by root 29 comma 3 by root 29 comma 4 by root 29. This is LMN. Here to find lambda equal to length of projection of PQ on RS mod AL plus MB plus NC. This is the formula. Here A 7 into 2 14, 14 by root 29 plus 8 into 3 24, 24 by root 29 plus 13 fours 52, 52 by root 29. Here root 29 is the LCM, then add 14 plus 24, 38 plus 52, 8 to 10, 5, 3, 8, 90. 90 by root 29. Modulus of 90 by root 29, 90 by root 29 lambda. To find the value, 29 lambda square plus 29. 29 lambda square plus 29. 29 lambda value 90 by root 29 square. 90 square 8100 by root 29 square 29 plus 29. 29 29 get cancelled. 8100 plus 29, 8129. 8129 is the answer. Third option is correct. 10th question, if capital A equal to 2 comma 1 comma 9, B equal to minus 4 comma 1 comma minus 3, C equal to 0 comma 7 comma 6, and in the triangle ABC, then the equation of the median through C is x by A is equal to y minus 7 by B equal to z minus 6 by C. Then A plus B plus C equal to, here the four options given. Here capital A equal to 2 comma 1 comma 9, B equal to minus 4 comma 1 comma minus 3, C equal to 0 comma 7 comma 6. In a triangle ABC, this is the triangle ABC. To find median through C, here D is the midpoint of AB. The equation of median through C, CD is the equation of median through C. Here to find the D is equal to midpoint of AB, midpoint of AB, 2 minus 4 by 2 comma 1 plus 1 by 2 comma 9 minus 3 by 2, 2 minus 4 minus 2 by 2, 1 plus 1 2 by 2, 9 minus 3 6 by 2, 2 ones 2 3, minus 1 comma 1 comma 3. This is the D vertices. Here to find the equation of the median through C, CD is equal to equation of median through C. This is one formula, x minus x1 by x2 minus x1 is equal to y minus y1 by y2 minus y1 is equal to z minus z1 by z2 minus z1. This is the formula. Here the C vertices, C equal to 0 comma 7 comma 6 x1 y1 z1, and d equal to minus 1 comma d equal to minus 1 comma 1 comma 3 x2 y2 z2 x minus x1, here x1 is 0, x minus 0 x, x2 minus x1, x2 minus x1 minus 1 minus 0 minus 1, y minus y1, y1 is 7, y minus 7, y2 minus y1, 1 minus 7 minus 6, z minus z1, z1 is 6, z2 minus z1, 3 minus 6 minus 3. Here minus 1 minus 6 minus 3, x by minus 1 is equal to y minus 7 by minus 6 is equal to z minus 6 by minus 3. These are the drs of given line. Drs minus 1 comma minus 6 comma minus 3 multiply with minus 1 comma 6 comma 3. Here the given equation x by a is equal to y minus 7 by b is equal to z minus 6 by c. This is in the form. These are the a, b, c. Drs multiply with minus 1 comma 6 comma 3. Here a is equal to 1, b is equal to 6, c is equal to 3. To find the value a plus b plus c, 1 plus 6 plus 3, 1 plus 6 is 7, 7 plus 3, 10. Here the third option is correct. If you like this video, please share and subscribe. And also if you have any doubts, drop them in the comment section. Next video start with 3D planes.